Big entry from both guys. Building up flip one. Let's go into flip two. Nice snappy transition from both.
James versus Pat.
Here we go. James versus Pat. Yes, James will be in the lead position. Here we go, the guns are out once again. He means business. Little prayer. And here we go, about to start this next battle between James and Pat.
Okay, lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, James out in front. Look at the chicane. Oh, and contact was made.
Good start. The chaser got first yellow card. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, will be clean start now. It is a clean start onto the main straight, but making his way onto James's tail. But James with a big entry pretty much fills up that zone with his car. Into clipping zone number 2, long sweeper here, giving Putt the chance to make proximity happen. And into number 3, Putt is right there like a shadow, but loses proximity into number 4. Quick transition here. Into number 5, but you see the timing on Putt's transition a little too early, causing him to make a big correction there, putting it in the wrong place on the track. Needs to slow down to readjust itself before clip number 5 before the finish line.
Advantage, point 25 to James. That's in the second round. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, James with a slight advantage. He's going to play it safe this time. Let's watch him. I don't know who he is. Big entry from both guys. Building up flip one. Let's go into flip two. Nice snappy transition from both guys. Look at James driving into Putt's door right there into number 3. Let's see. Great transition from James, taking the risk. And it seems like Putt went to the wall all by himself, trying to salvage the rest of the run across the finish line. James tries to put the exclamation point on his run, bumping Putt across the finish line.
Winner from South Boys Lifters, James Wright.
James, a big gun.